In this next video, what I want to talk about now is when we have 0 and negative exponents. Now, before we get there, what I want to talk about are just some of the basics. We know that 3 to the first power is just 3. And every time that I increase my exponent by 1, that's really just like I'm multiplying times another 3. In this case here, 3 squared, I know that that's 3 times 3. 3 to the third power, or 3 cubed, is 3 times 3 times 3. And then 3 to the fourth power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So what I'm seeing is that every single time that I increase my exponent by 1, it's a whole nother 3 that I'm multiplying by. So in this same idea, what we can think of is instead of as we go up we multiply by 3, we could think that as we decrease our exponent by 1, it's another time now that I am dividing by 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. The next time I go down, 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and that is what happens when I get 3 to the 0th power, or anything to the 0th power for this matter. As we continue down in that pattern, as I now continue and go down by 1 in my exponent when I have 3 to the negative first power, we're going to find that our answer is 1/3. Because again, as I'm continuing down in this pattern, every time down I am dividing by 3, dividing by the base. So what we see here, and what our rule is that any time when I have a negative exponent, basically if we can change its position in a fraction, so in this case right here, 3 to the negative second power, it's like 3 to the negative second power over 1. It's a whole number that's been given to us that has an exponent. So in this case, if I can take it from the numerator and drop it to the denominator, it now makes it positive. And so that's pretty much our rule with negatives. When I have a negative exponent, if I drop the base to the bottom with that same exponent, it's now positive.